Welcome to a new video from H4G.io. My name is Michael and in this video you will learn how to connect the Gamivo API to H4G. First of all, you should verify your business. Create an account at Gamivo.com and send a support request to learn how to get through the verification process. Once you have successfully verified your business, continue with the steps below. First, navigate to the Supplier tab of H4G.io. Click on the Connect button, then select API version v2 and enable the static IP. Open the documentation in a new tab and select Gamivo on the right corner. Copy the H4G static IP address. Click on the link which will redirect you to the Gamivo dashboard. Select API settings and move to the IP whitelist tab. Then add the H4G static IP to the whitelist. Click on the button Add IP to whitelist. Select the tab API tokens and click on the Generate New API token button. Copy the API token to the clipboard. Switch back to H4G's Supplier tab, paste your API token and click on Save Changes. Once you see this light is lighting green, the Gamivo API is successfully connected to H4G. Thank you for watching, see you in the next episode.